The 2018 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel drive, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, power door locks, MP3 player, CD player, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.